Hello students, today we'll see a topic instruction cycle. So the first question is, what is the meaning of instruction cycle? Which are the different things that involved in instruction cycle? So basically an instruction cycle involves three subcycles: fetch, decode and execute. So in case of fetch, the fetch phase reads the next instruction from memory into the CPU. Decode, the decode phase interprets the opcode by decoding it. Execute, it just performs the indicated operations. We'll see one by one. So basically these are the steps of instruction cycle. Fetch the instruction. The next instruction is fetch from the memory address that is currently stored in the program counter and stored in the instruction register, that is nothing but the IR. Next subcycle is nothing but the decode the instruction. During this cycle, the encoded instruction present in the IR, that is nothing but the instruction register, is interpreted by the decoder. It reads the effective address, direct memory instruction. Nothing is being done in the clock pulse. Indirect memory instruction, the effective address is being read from the memory. So just see the difference between the direct memory instruction and indirect memory instruction. In case of direct memory, nothing is being done, and in case of indirect memory instruction, the effective address is being read from the memory. Last subcycle is nothing but the execute the instruction. So the control unit of the CPU passes the decoded information as a sequence of control signals to the relevant function units of the CPU to perform the actions required by the instruction. So these are the three main subcycles, that is nothing but the fetch, decode and execution. So this is nothing but the basic view of the instruction cycle. So first is nothing but the start, then after that fetch instruction, execute instruction. So once the computer has been started, that means bootstrap, it continuously executes instruction until the computer is stopped. Different instructions take different amounts of time to execute. Generally any kind of instruction executed in non-zero amount of time. All instructions and data are contained in main memory. So a complete instruction consists of operation code, addressing mode, 0 or more operands, immediately available data, that is nothing but the embedded within the instruction, the address where the data can be found in the main memory. See, start, fetch instruction, decode instruction, again after decoding the instruction, whatever the different operands that get fetched, and then the execute instruction. Okay, this is nothing but the intermediate view of the instruction cycle. First one is nothing but the basic view. In case of basic view, see, this is start, fetch instruction and execute. Decode is not shown. That is in case of intermediate view. Start, fetch instruction, decode instruction, fetch operand, execute instruction. Okay. So this is nothing but the exception. So first is that means start, after that it is fetch instruction. Whatever the exceptions or errors may occur at the various points in the instruction cycle. For example, it is shown by this flow chart. Fetch instruction, decode instruction, fetch operand, execute instruction. See, every subcycle, at the every subcycle shown possible exception, possible exception, possible exception. Why it is? Because whenever we are executing any kind of instruction, there are chances of exceptions, errors that may occur at various points. That is comes under the exceptions part. See, how means what, how it get executed. So In case of exceptions, that means whatever the different kinds of error may occur at various points. So where it get, that is nothing but the fetch instruction. Fetch instruction means whatever the addressing, the memory does not exist or it is inaccessible. Okay, so next one is the after fetch it is decode instruction, then it is fetch operand. So in case of decode instruction, whatever the operation code does not denote a valid operation, then that exception may get arises. Okay. Then execution, the instruction logic fails typically due to the input data. You might know divide by 0, then loop will go into infinity. Integer addition, subtraction, overflow, floating point underflow, overflow, that comes under the execution. So these are the kinds of errors or exceptions that may occur at various points. This is the state diagram. This is the state diagram, that is with the interrupts or the instruction cycle. It may called it as a instruction state diagram. So see how this gets shown. That is nothing but the here it is instruction fetch, operand fetch, instruction fetch. After that it is instruction operation decoding. After that operand address calculation. See, whenever we are fetching any kind of instructions, first it is what? It just find out the whatever the operation decoding. Then it just find out the operand. Then whatever the address calculation. After that operand fetch, data, whatever the kinds of operations that get performed. Then operand address calculation. After that operand may get stored. Whatever the interrupt get checked. That gets shown by using this instruction cycle state diagram. Okay, so got the concept of instruction cycle. So basically the instruction cycle, remember one thing, basically the instruction cycle involves the 3 subcycle: fetch, decode and execute. So fetch means what? The fetch phase reads the next instruction from memory into CPU. Decode, the decode phase interprets the opcode by decoding it. It just finds out the opcode and try to decode it. That is in case of decode. Then execute, the execute phase performs the indicated operation. That is the summarized things of the instruction cycle. You may, I think you may get the concept of instruction cycle, and you have to remember the diagram that gets shown by using the flow chart. That is nothing but the basic instruction cycle. Then that is nothing but the interrupt cycle. That means in case of basic instruction cycle, decode not shown, and in case of interrupt cycle, all the operations or whatever the different subcycles shown. Okay, if you have any kind of query, feel free to ask me. Thank you.